Hey guys, can you believe this now, eh? You can't make it up. Now I find a guy walking there. There's foot trails that you can follow, and it goes in loops, and you go back to the camping sites and stuff. So now I saw this guy now is in the bushes. There's no hiking trails there. There's a lot of hiking trails that you can follow and you can walk it. Now I found this guy and I call him and ask him, are you lost? Why are you walking? You're walking in the bushes, my friend. It's dangerous. There's snakes and you can't see where you're walking. There's no path. No, he's lost. He got off the track. I said, no, let me show you. And I walked a little bit and I showed him, okay, there's the track. You just go back there. And as I talk to the guy, I see his backpack is moving. It's like having a hiking bag on him. So I asked him, listen, what is there in your bag? There's something moving there. Oh, and he took it back off and he said, oh yeah, I picked this up. He's trying to save it. He's looking for water. He opened up the bag. There's a tortoise. Skulpad. What the hell? Guys, you can't do that. It's the nature. Don't pick stuff up. I'm so amazed. You know, our human beings. I'm very amazed. So I told him, listen guy, you know what, Nate? You're gonna get arrested. You're gonna get arrested. You cannot take the nature out of the nature. You wanna take this tortoise home. Am I right? No. He picked it up there and it looks like he was struggling. So he's taking it down to the river. Jeez, man. That tortoise has been there for many years. He survived up to today and now you want to save him. Tortoises go without water for a very long time. They eat grass and plants and stuff that contains water as well. So leave it. So he begged it, put it down, and then I want to get this information because he's a guy that paid. He came through the gate. Boop, there he ran.